So this is starting from a magic loop. So you start as though you're going to make a slip knot. You pull up your slip knot, and this, the hole, is the part that you're going to work into. So where you would normally pull it all the way, on this occasion you leave it loose and you work into that hole. How loose you leave it is up to you. Sometimes if you leave it too loose you can get in a little bit of a mess. So then make sure that you're using the right end of your yarn to start off with, and you have to start with a chain before you can do anything. So some patterns will say chain 2, some might say chain 1, depending on what you're making. And then when you start your work, you're going to work into this circle. So if you were doing trebles, you just work into your circle. Now it's called a magic loop because when you've finished working into it, put a few stitches on. Sometimes you'd start with a double crochet, doesn't really matter which stitch, the process is the same. But can you see how you're working all into your loop, and what you do when you've finished your work working into it is you pull that tight and your circle disappears in the middle and pulls it round, which is why it's called magic.